AI video just took a massive leap. Imagine recording a simple clip on your phone and instantly turning it into a cinematic 3D animation with your own camera moves, your own character, and full control of the entire scene. This isn't sci-fi. It's Kinetix's new model Kamo-1, and today we're breaking down why creators everywhere are losing their minds over it. Here's where things get interesting. Kamo-1 is not just a video generator, it's what Kinetix calls a 3D conditioned video model. In simple terms, it means the model builds a rough 3D representation before it generates video frames. Think of it like an AI motion capture studio built into the cloud. You give it a reference performance, maybe it's you dancing in your room or a friend acting out a scene, and the AI extracts the full body motion. Then, using that motion as a base, it recreates the entire performance inside a virtual 3D space. And once that's done, you get to choose how the camera moves. Want a slow cinematic orbit around the character? Easy. Want to zoom in dramatically during a key moment? You can do that too. The power here isn't just that the AI makes a video, it's that you get directorial control. Something creators have been begging for since the early days of AI video hype. Let's talk about the problem. Kamo-1 is trying to solve a problem. Almost every creator who has tried AI video knows all too well. For years, the major AI video models have been great at one thing: generating pretty visuals. Beautiful, surreal, dreamlike scenes. But ask the model to follow a specific performance, or maintain consistent motion, or give you anything resembling real, stable 3D space, and it all falls apart. Characters melt, limbs twist, cameras jitter all over the place. It's like trying to shoot a blockbuster film with a camera app that can barely stand still. That's because most AI video models think only in 2D, they hallucinate motion frame by frame, they don't understand space, they don't understand choreography. And they definitely don't understand what a filmmaker wants when they say, "Give me a dolly shot from the left." But Kamo-1 was built to solve this exact issue, alone in real life. If you're a game developer, you can instantly create new emotes and character animations for your game without motion capture suits or animation teams. And if you're a content creator on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, Kamo-1 lets you make eye-catching, shareable animations in minutes. The ceiling for creativity is much higher than traditional text-to-video AI models because Kamo-1 isn't guessing what you want, it's following your actual performance. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. What does Kamo-1 mean for the future of content creation? Over the next few years, we're going to see a shift from AI simply generating random scenes to AI that actually collaborates with creators. Tools like Kamo-1 allow creators to bring their own performances, their own motion style, their own personality into AI-generated video. It's not replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. We will see fully animated short films made by one person. We will see new styles of dance, storytelling, and music videos built on top of these tools. And we will see creators who never touched animation before suddenly producing energetic, cinematic, director-level content. AI isn't here to make the old way obsolete, it's here to democratize what used to be out of reach. So what's my take on Kamo-1? Honestly, it's one of the most important steps forward for AI video this year. The combination of performance capture, 3D space, and camera control gives creators something that felt impossible just a few months ago. It's not just another model, it's a tool that respects the creator's intention, and that's a rare thing in the world of AI. If you're a filmmaker, a dancer, a VTuber, a digital artist, a game developer, or even just someone who loves experimenting with new creative tech, Kamo-1 is worth paying close attention to. If you want a full tutorial on how to use Kamo-1, or if you want me to compare it to other AI video models like Runway, Pika, or Sora, let me know in the comments. And if this kind of content gets you excited about the future, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Here on IdeaPlex, we explore the ideas shaping tomorrow long before they hit the mainstream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.